This girl had to dance in front of her entire class after her teacher gave her a choice between writing a 15,000-word essay or doing a 15-second dance. But what the class ended up saying about her dance completely shocked everyone.
Okay, class, remember you had two options for the midterm. Option 1 is a 15-second dance. Who chooses option 1? Okay, come on up. Option 2 is 15,000-word paper on the implications of AI for biomedical engineering. Who chooses option 2?